Fix File Explorer navigation pane missing in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Enable navigation pane in View Settings. The pane might simply be disabled in File Explorer options, and toggling it back on can restore it instantly. Fix 2. Clear File Explorer History. A cluttered history cache can prevent the pane from loading properly, and clearing it resets the view without losing data. Fix 3. Restart Windows Explorer process. Temporary glitches in the Explorer process can hide the pane, and restarting it refreshes the interface. Fix 4. Reset folder options. Misconfigured folder settings might be hiding the pane, and resetting them restores default view. Fix 5. Update Windows. Outdated system files can cause display issues in File Explorer, and installing updates often patches these problems. Fix 6. Run System File Checker and DISM. Corrupted system files can disrupt File Explorer features, and these tools can scan and repair them effectively. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed.